The best way to get better at programming is to practice. And in this example, we're going to be looking at creating our own custom exception. Now, you might ask, why might we need our own custom exception? Well, it's usually for some sort of business logic or other type of programmatic logic error that might run into. As always, these files are available for download using a link provided below in the description. We'll give you a couple seconds to download it, and then we'll get started. All right, so let's get started. In this example, I've created example 07, and we just want to create the exception. To do so is very easy, and all we have to do is say extends exception. And this is going to extend the exception class that's going to allow us to work with this. Now, a lot of times there's a few things that we'll want to do, for example, if we're creating our own custom exception. Now, when I create my exception, there's a couple things I'll probably want to do, like have a good constructor, such as public, example 07 in this case, and then I can have a string, which is going to have my message, and often a throwable object, which is the error. This helps us to have something that we can then throw. Here we can use our super to call the exception constructor and simply pass a message and our throwable error as such. This is an easy way for us to go in and create something useful that then we can use in try catch later on. Hopefully you found this example helpful. If so, please consider giving it a like and consider subscribing to see more examples on how to get better at programming.